Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, I want to do a quick video on this steel reinforced epoxy. Now, I've used this on several projects and it's actually quite amazing stuff. It gets extremely hard. It can be cut with a hacksaw, you can drill it, you can tap it. So it's pretty tough stuff. Anyway, last time I used it, the leftover I made a cube out of. As you see, I just pressed it into a cube and then let it solidify. And as you see, the thing is hard as a rock. And not only that, you can also pick it up with a magnet. So there's lots of steel in it. So what they do is they take powdered steel, almost molecular steel, and then mix it with this epoxy resin. And of course, epoxy has two liquids that combined, one acts as a catalyst and it actually begins to generate heat. And it turns into a solid. Anyway, it's expensive. It's about $6 for this thing. $7 maybe, don't remember. And I only use it for structural things. It seems to go really well with pot metal, as you see. The color is right. And the nice thing about it is, of course, it makes a really incredibly tight bond. That's why I'm hoping that it should be able to hold this piece of steel in place and maintain that shape. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video. Now, like I said, when this is cured, I'll get the excess off the outside. I'll probably have to use a file to do that. And dress it up, go over it with a file, and I think it's going to look all right. The question is, of course, is this epoxy strong enough to hold that? Because this thing is sprung, so when you remove this piece or take it out of the vise, it actually springs open almost I don't know, 1/4 of an inch. Enough for the axle to fall completely out of this side. So it's got to be something that's really tough because this is just butt joined. It's just two edges touching. So hopefully when that cures, I'll take it out of the vise and it'll maintain that shape. If it springs open, I'm going to have to try something else. But I'm betting that this will cure it. We will see. I'll do a follow-up video. Anyway, just a video on this JB Weld. This stuff works really, really well. You have to mix it quite a bit. One is white, one is gray. Mix them together, and this is the resultant color. Like I said, it goes really well with pot metal. So, it's great for doing these kinds of repairs. So I just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.